Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Gestures Gloves for Gaming using Arduino Uno, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. The project works as a mouse and keyboard in air and helps you control graphical user interface, that is GUI. The objective of this project is to provide its user a new virtual gaming experience. The accelerometer and gyroscope sensors are fixed on the top of the glove that will sense the tilt in hand and work accordingly. Using this gaming glove, you can play games like Subway Surf, which have movements like going forward, backward, right and left. The components used to develop this project are the MPU6050 sensor to detect hand motion along the x-axis and y-axis. For this prototype, we have set only 4 keys, A and D keys along x-axis, that is right and left movements, W and S keys along y-axis, that is up and down movements. With MPU6050, you can do more as per your requirements. An Arduino Uno board to which MPU6050 is connected via I2C bus and over which a code will run. A hand glove to which MPU6050 is attached so that we can wear the glove and play the game. Apart from these, some jumper wires are used. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is the setup. Wear the glove to which the sensor is attached. Here you can see I am playing a Subway Surf game without using keyboard and mouse. The movements are made according to the hand motions detected by the sensor. Interested in developing your own gaming glove? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.